These are the elevators at the Harborview House Apartments at Gannon University in Erie, Pennsylvania. These are originally old Otis's. They were modernized by Otis, I think, in around 2010, maybe 11. Terrace. Here we go down. Sadly, the right car's not working. These are very busy, so these are a bit difficult to film. Here at Terrace. Go to roof something, I guess. Here we go up. Not sure what's up there. I don't think there's any apartments. I haven't seen anyone go up there. We might make some stops on the way down, but that's probably inevitable. It's actually got a pretty good speed for an apartment building this age and like in this style. A lot of these apartment buildings have really slow elevators. It's a bit loud and creaking rattly here at RG roof. Not sure what's up here. I guess there's the machine. There's a Schindler lockbox. Go back to the lobby. It's a basic Gannon fake grain laminate cab. A lot of elevators at Gannon have this, and we'll have it. We're stopping at 6. That car's not working. There it goes, and that's gonna be it.